So I've decided to come out on the bike today and I'm heading up to Chartershall. First time in a long time. I think maybe about September last year was the last time I was up here. So I thought I would get out on the bike. Weather's to be pretty bad next week. There's forecast of snow. So I thought I'd come out and I can hear all the hedge sparrows running about me, which is good. But yeah, I'm going to head up to Chartershall. I want to test out my new monopod. I've got it here on the bike, and my new camera, new camcorder, which is in there. So let's have a look at it. That was just amazing. Literally, I was just up the road there talking to you on the brow of the wee hill there, and in that tree I seen a buzzard, so I stopped here, got all my camera equipment out, but unfortunately by the time that I got my camera stuff out, it had flown. I thought I'd missed it. I thought it had went in that far field, but it was in them trees there, and so I managed to set up the monopod first time out in the field, and it was really good. And I think I got some good footage of it, and then I managed to go down there a wee bit and get a wee bit closer. Unfortunately, with my bridge camera, it still isn't powerful enough to take sort of good zooms, but I'm quite happy with the digital footage. have to say that was excellent. My first time up Chartershall for a good few months, and I got to see a buzzard and got it on film. So yeah, I was pretty happy with that. And I've came up here to my halfway point, sitting on my usual bench here, and just thinking about things that I want to film in the new year and that, and plans that me and Colin have for the fishing and wildlife site. So it's going to be exciting times. You know, that was our first year, and really looking forward to the second year. And we really appreciate all the readers reading articles and putting in replies and messages and stuff. We really thank you, and that's the reason that we do it, is to give you a bit of education, a bit of entertainment, and a nice website to have a look at wildlife.